Hello YouTubers, how are you? Here I am again with a small project of the day. I'm working on a '08 Acura MDX, as you could see, having check engine light. Comes up with many different codes. The major one that I saw, the main one that I saw was P0154. P0154 basically is telling me that I have emission issues. Okay, after doing my little research, I realized that Bank 2 sensor 1 was bad. Bank 2 sensor 1. So on a 2008 Acura MDX, the location of that particular sensor, it's right here in front of the radiator. As you can see, let me do a little bit of rotating and zooming. As you can see, so it's this tube. Basically, this tube, the connection is right here. This is the radiator you're looking at. Radiator, fans, and all that stuff. So first thing you want to do is take this plastic thing off, or the cover. I already did mine pre-done, so here we go. Comes with two little plugs right here. These two little rubber things right here. What I did, I took mine off and placed them back in here, because if you don't, it's going to be very hard for you to install this thing back. So take the little rubbers off and let's put them back inside of there before. So this was off, pre-done before, so I could stick this to the side. And yes, I'm working in the snow. That's how bad I need this to be done. I'm in the snow. I also pre-opened my sensor already, so I'll show you exactly what's going on. This is the plug for it, okay? Right here, right by the oil changing thing, or oil fill. This is the sensor. It was already pre-done, pre-out, and this is what mine look like at the moment. It is bad. Okay, and here I go with the new one that I purchased offline. Basically, the main thing I needed to look for was to make sure that my wire colors are in the same place. On this particular plug, it has 6 slots but only 5 wires, so one of these wires is not being used, and as you can see, it is the exact same one. Alright, I'm gonna install this thing and hopefully this will change my issue. If you have any comments or feedback, probably tell me what I'm not doing right or what I did right. I would appreciate that. And yes, I did disconnect my negative terminal. So that's the first thing you need to do before you start doing any kind of work on this sensor, okay? Make sure you take your negative terminal off of your battery. The tool that I used was basically size 22 or 7/8. And this particular wrench or socket is made for sensors. It has a split here. So basically, the sensor is supposed to go in like this, up inside, and then that's the only way you're gonna get to the tip right here. Okay. I'm working on my phone right now, so I know for sure that my video is not the best, but I haven't seen nobody post anything online showing you how to change that particular sensor. So on this car, again, it's a '08 MDX. For Bank 2, sensor 1 is right here. For Bank 2, sensor 2, it will be down here. Okay, Bank 2 sensor 2 down here, and Bank 2 sensor 1 is located right under this second ignition or igniter thing right here. The other 2 sensors are located in the back, somewhere back there, and I'm not going to mess with that today, but this is what I came up with, and hopefully this could be helpful in some way. And just leave me a feedback if possible. I know it's a shitty 5 minutes, but it's better than nothing at all, okay? Bank 2, sensor 1. Bank 2, sensor 2. This is your battery. This is your front of the car, so just look exactly where it is. I know it's not in the back, it's up front. So this is the sensor again. I'm going to change this. I'm going to get this rubber thing off of here, our little protector, so it might look a little bit shorter, but it really isn't, okay? This rubber, I'm working with one hand here, so forgive me. I'm trying my best to make sure that I show you that this thing is exactly the same replacement. There we go. Alright, so you see the difference? one is old, one is messed up, but that's the way it goes.